Hey YouTube, this is The Green Cabbie with We Is the Future, where me and my family are spending a lot more time together doing healthy recipes. We're showing you family time as well as reviews on great products that we've been able to use. Today we're going to show you how to make the easiest, most healthy ranch dressing you've ever seen. Most store-bought ranch dressings are ranch dips. They have mayonnaise and whipped fat in there. Sometimes they have eggs. It's not really great to just pile in, useless fat in there. Yeah, sometimes fat is a good thing. But to pile in useless fat in there for no other reason than to make a dip, we think is useless. So what we're going to show you today is our favorite ranch dressing. And what it comprises of is 1 cup of Chobani Greek yogurt, which has no fat, 22 grams of protein. And the great thing about this is it does not taste like yogurt. I hate yogurt personally, the way that it tastes. And Chobani Greek yogurt actually tastes like sour cream, which is really nice. So you can incorporate that into all your sour cream menus. So all we're going to do is we're going to take 1 cup of Chobani Greek yogurt, which we have in our bowl here. You're going to take your ranch, and what you're going to do is you're just going to sprinkle your ranch in there to taste, okay? So we may not like as much ranch as some other people. Basically what you do is you just take your ranch in there, okay? You stir it up. This takes about 25 seconds to make your own ranch dip. And then when you make it, taste it and see if it's to your liking. If you need a little bit more ranch, put a little bit more in there. Now, the great thing is you can actually get these at Costco, these big things of ranch, which is really nice. So if you want to feel the full flavor of it, let it sit for about an hour in your fridge, or you can serve it just as it is. As you see, it only took us about 30 seconds to do that. Now, the great thing about this here, this is ranch dip we just made. Now, if you want to make ranch dressing for your salad, then all you have to do is add a couple tablespoons of milk, depending on the consistency you like, of your salad dressing, and you instantly have ranch salad dressing with no added fats. You can do a low-fat milk, ones that have DHA and stuff like that in there, and you have either ranch dressing or you have ranch dip. So we just wanted to share that with you really quick, a quick and easy way to make healthy ranch without added fats. And if you get a chance, please give us a big thumbs up. As always, please share it on Google Plus and Facebook, and please subscribe. If you like healthy recipes, if you like seeing, what quality family time is about, and if you like to see reviews of great products, please subscribe, please share it with your friends, and as always, make sure that you can spend time with your family now, because there's nothing better than family time. We'll talk to you soon.